Tesla just posted $28.1 billion in revenue for Q3 2025, up 12% year-over-year, and delivered 497,000 vehicles, the most in its history.
Operating margin collapsed from 10.8% a year ago to 5.8% now. Tesla is keeping less profit from every dollar of revenue.
Costs are exploding. Tesla says new tariffs and trade rules alone ate more than $400 million a quarter.
Higher costs per vehicle are crushing margins. For years, Tesla boosted profit by selling regulatory credits. In Q3 25, those credits dropped to $407 million, down 44% from last year. A lot of those Q3 sales were buyers rushing to lock in a $7,500 US EV tax credit before it expired. That pulls future demand into this quarter. Tesla is signaling sales could slow next.
Tesla is pouring money into AI, robotaxis, and its Optimus robot.
They say they now control roughly 81,000 Nvidia H100 GPUs for self-driving training. Operating expenses jumped hard in
AI and R&D, while core auto profit weakened. Tesla ended the quarter with about $41.6 billion in cash and investments, plus nearly $4 billion in free cash flow. They have ammo. But Wall Street is pricing Tesla like an AI empire, not a car maker. Tesla still has scale, cash, and hype. But margins are falling, demand may soften, and profits are already under pressure. You're not buying cars. You're buying the promise that AI will save the numbers.